It's time to be more efficient with my top 5 productivity tips for Google Chrome. Hello from Canadian quarantine, my friends. I'm Tasia Custode, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tech tips, app reviews, and a ton of Google goodness. So let's jump back into some Google Chrome productivity, shall we? And we'll start with tip number 1, and that's to quickly search and find tabs. Now, this is going to be really helpful if you're like me and you leave a lot of windows open. This is for you. So here we are in Chrome, and I'm in one of my 2 open windows, and I want to quickly find an open tab here, but I don't want to search through all my other open tabs to get to it. So we can just hit Command T to open up a new tab. And here, let's just start typing in the name of the tab. And in the results here, if you see it, just hit Tab to get to it and then hit Enter. Now you'll be brought right to your tab of choice. Now, of course, there's another way you can do this too. You could hit the downward facing arrow in the top right to search or select a tab from the list on the right here. Tip number 2, bookmark tabs together. This will help you get back to any related tabs quicker, plus it's a really great organization tip too. So let's say you've got multiple tabs open for one project that you're working on. You can just right click on the window and select bookmark all tabs and then save all these tabs to folder. So you'd name the folder for whatever works for your organization. And then when you're done renaming it, just click Save. And now here under the browser bar, you're going to have a newly created folder where you can easily access all of these related tabs. So now you'll be able to get back to this folder whenever you want, or if you right click on it, you can delete the folder once you're all done with that project. Tip number 3, use custom search engines in Google Chrome. Now, I've talked about this one before in some of my other Chrome videos, but it bears repeating. It is such a good tip. So you can search a specific website without having to manually go to the website first. So let's head up here to our trusty address bar, and we'll begin by typing in the website that we want to search in. So I'll type in YouTube here, and now look, on the right hand side, Chrome is telling me to press tab to search within YouTube. So let's press tab, and of course, okay, I'll search the Montreal Canadiens, and then I'm gonna hit enter, and I'm instantly brought to YouTube video search for that term, Montreal Canadiens, without having to first go to YouTube. This is gonna work for Wikipedia or any other site that has search. And if for some reason this isn't working for you, you may have to add the search engine of your choice first to your Chrome settings. And luckily you only have to do that once, and it's really easy. So here's how to do it. Say you want to be able to search Wikipedia right from here too. We're gonna first head to wikipedia.org, and then we'll type in a random one-word search. And a quick tip here is to make sure you misspell that search. So I'm gonna type in hockey with 2 Y's, and then I'll hit enter. And now up here at the top, copy this search string in the address bar using Command C. If you didn't misspell your term, you're gonna get an actual search result, and that's really not what we want right now. We want this search string. So now with this copied, head to the 3-dot menu icon in Chrome and click on Settings. And from here, click on Search Engines on the left. Now click Manage Search Engines. And now here, beside the other search engines, go ahead and click on Add. Now here we'll name what it is we're adding. So for this, we're gonna be adding Wikipedia. And then I want the keyword to just be wiki, because that's obviously just shorter to type in. And now let's hit Command V on this line to paste in that search string where it wants the URL. And now look here, Chrome tells us to replace the search term with %S. So let's do that here. We're gonna delete the hockey with 2 Y's, and we're gonna replace it with the percentage symbol and an S. And now let's just click Add, and you're all set. Moving on to Chrome productivity tip number 4, add articles to a reading list. So you may remember from some of my other videos, I'm a huge fan of Pocket, which allows you to save articles to read for later. Well, you can do that exact same thing within Chrome itself. So let's say we're on an article here, but we don't have time to read it right now. Click on the bookmark option, but instead of bookmarking this tab, let's go ahead and click on Add to Reading List. You'll now get this reading list button on the bookmarks bar, and if you click on it, you can access all your saved articles. And cooler yet, pages are going to be organized by read and unread, and you can delete anything you don't need anymore right from here too. Pretty neat. Thanks, Chrome. And rounding out our list at number 5, Google Chrome keyboard shortcuts. There are so many, but here is a quick list of just my favorites. Command T will open a tab. Command W, alternatively, will close a tab. Hit Command Shift T to open up the last closed tab, which is so helpful if you accidentally close a tab. Command L will highlight the address bar text so you can easily copy it over if needed. If you need to zoom in, hit Command plus, and to zoom out, hit Command minus. And a little pop-up will briefly appear to tell you whether you're zoomed in or not. So if you're back to 100%, that's where you want to be. Hit Command and just click on a link to automatically open a link in a new tab rather than having to right-click the link first. And if you want to hide your bookmarks bar, just hit Command Shift B to hide it, and then that same shortcut, Command Shift B, will bring it right back for you. So now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite productivity tips for Google Chrome? Let everyone know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I want to know. So give it a like, a share, or leave that comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel, and here for more Chrome videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.